Imagine waking up to a world where your coffee brews itself, your favorite playlist is queued for your morning routine, and your home adjusts the temperature automatically. These are just a few examples of how AI is seamlessly integrating into our daily lives, enhancing comfort and convenience. As you delve deeper into the realm of AI, you'll start to notice its subtle presence everywhere, continuously working in the background to make tasks less burdensome. As we navigate this AI-enhanced world, let's take a closer look at some specific examples of how these intelligent systems are transforming industries. For instance, in healthcare, AI assists doctors by analyzing patient data more accurately, helping to diagnose conditions earlier than ever before. Imagine a machine that can sift through thousands of medical records in seconds, identifying patterns that even seasoned professionals might overlook. This not only saves lives but also streamlines patient care, allowing for more focused and personalized treatment plans tailored to individual needs. In finance, AI algorithms analyze market trends in real time, enabling traders to make swift, informed decisions. Picture this: investment firms using AI to forecast stock movements based on vast datasets, generating insights that would take humans hours to compile. This sophistication leads to better portfolio management, increasing return on investments while minimizing risks. Moreover, AI chatbots in customer service handle inquiries around the clock, providing timely assistance that enhances consumer satisfaction. They learn from interactions, continuously improving their responses and offering personalized experiences that cater to individual preferences. In the realm of education, AI personalizes learning by adapting content to each student's unique pace and style. Imagine a tutoring system that understands when a learner struggles with a concept and adjusts its teaching approach accordingly, fostering an environment where every student can thrive. The possibilities are truly limitless when machines and humans collaborate. In the realm of transportation, AI is revolutionizing how we travel. Autonomous vehicles, equipped with sophisticated sensors and algorithms, analyze their surroundings in real time, making split-second decisions to ensure safety on the roads. Imagine a world where traffic accidents are significantly reduced, thanks to machines that can anticipate and react faster than any human driver. Furthermore, AI optimizes logistics by predicting traffic patterns and streamlining delivery routes, significantly enhancing efficiency. This means packages arrive faster, leading to a more satisfied customer experience while minimizing carbon footprints. As industries continue to embrace AI, we witness profound changes that improve not only individual experiences but also society as a whole, ultimately driving us toward a smarter future. As we examine the agricultural sector, AI is making groundbreaking strides. Smart farming techniques, like precision agriculture, utilize AI-driven data analytics to optimize crop yields. Imagine drones equipped with sensors that monitor crop health and soil conditions, allowing farmers to apply resources more efficiently. This not only increases productivity but also promotes sustainable farming practices. With AI's assistance, we can cultivate a more efficient and environmentally conscious approach to agriculture, ultimately securing food resources for future generations. AI is also transforming retail. Imagine walking into a store where inventory is monitored in real time. Intelligent systems can track product availability, ensuring shelves are always stocked. Additionally, AI analyzes customer behavior, allowing retailers to tailor their offerings based on preferences. AI is not just reshaping industries, it's redefining our very way of life. By embracing its potential, we unlock new opportunities for innovation and growth. As we step into this exciting future, let us harness the capabilities of artificial intelligence to benefit ourselves, our communities, and the world at large.